Hey, what's going on, Done Right Roofing? I just wanted to send over this quick video showing you guys an opportunity I think you might be missing out on. Um, so if I go over here to Google and I type in roofing in Austin, Texas, there's a lot of companies that pull up. Austin Roofing and Construction, Texas Roof Repair, Ace Roofing, and on down the list here on page one. But unfortunately, y'all's company doesn't show up. So I just wanted to show you over here in this keyword tool. There are over 700 searches for roofers in Austin every month. So that's a lot of people looking for the service that you provide. But unfortunately, um, if you're not showing up on page one of Google, it's going to be really hard for those people to find you on Google because 90% of people aren't clicking past the first page. So real quick, I just wanted to go over the number one factor Google uses to rank websites. Um, Over here, we've got a tool called Majestic that basically is just what we use for backlink building. Now, backlinks are basically just links from other websites pointing back to your website, and Google kind of sees these as votes. So the more votes that other websites are giving your website, the higher Google's going to rank it in its search engine. So we put in your website here, Done Right Roofing. We've got a trust flow of 14, and the trust flow has everything to do with links, right? So it's showing us that you have 12 links from 7 referring domains. We put in one of your competitors here, Kangaroof Austin. We put them in here. Now they've got a trust flow of 25. That's because they've got over 1,200 backlinks coming from 25 different referring domains. And that's really the reason why they're here at number 2 on Google when I type in roofing in Austin, Texas. It's just because whether or not, I mean, Google just sees them as a more authoritative, trustworthy site just because they've got more referring backlinks. So basically what you can do is you can see which companies or which websites are referring back to these other roofing companies on page one. You can go to these URLs. You can find out exactly where they're getting these links from, and then you can also get these links. And that's just going to help out your trust flow here, your number of backlinks and the number of referring domains, and that's going to help you rank up higher on Google. But anyways, that is backlinking in a nutshell. It is something you can do yourself. It is something you can do every day, and it will, if done right, improve your rankings on Google. And the first page of Google is really where you want to be because you saw the traffic that's coming in, over 700 searches a month, and no one's getting past the first page. So that's really where you want to be. As for me, you're probably wondering who I am. My name is Sean Nelson. I run a digital marketing company. We help companies just like yours achieve first page rankings on Google. If this is something that you might be interested in, I would love to have a chat. My number is 432-287-7788. Again, my name is Sean Nelson. I'm with OEI Digital, and we'd love to hear from you.